Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see how to make sugar water. To make sugar water, we need sugar plus water and cup, measuring jar. Yeah, that is the thing we need. So what we are going to do, we are going to measure this water. This is 50 mils of water plus 1 teaspoonful, and the thing should be like this on the spoon. Imagine that this is spoon, it should be just at the level like this. Yes, like that. They should not be like this, it should just be at the level like this. So you mix this one until it dissolves all completely. So this one we are going to give to a child or person who is having hypoglycemia, which is having low sugar level in the blood, in the body.